Good start, Nate.
Just stall to a stop, it's alright.
That's it. As far as she's gonna go. Alright.
What does this mean, Michelle?
We're finally, after a weekend that was supposed to be a whole weekend of working on this thing, on Sunday afternoon, we're finally ready to work on it. Oh, we're not going to work on it.
How good does it feel?
It feels awesome because the Fairlane is finally fixed after a weekend of absolute torment, which we'll go through in another video. We're finally ready to get started and finally get stuck in this thing. So
We're probably not going to have any time today, aren't we?
no, we're not going to get time today. We spent the rest of the afternoon just cleaning up the shop. New project, clean shop. That's sort of a rule that I've always gone by, just to make things clean and easy to work with. So we're ready to go. All the parts are ready.
Yeah.
We've got the gearbox. I'll show you the gearbox.
Do you want me to help you? Oh, you got it?
Gearbox is
Okay.
all good.
Yeah, cool.
Gearbox is ready to go.
Yeah.
Go in. So we're going to chuck that in, and she should be good. Put her away from now. Yeah.
Looking forward to putting...
The Fairlane is done. That's ready to basically, Nate's ready to take that away now and just put some Ks in it and get that working.
Yep.
Obviously we've cleaned up, shelves are clean. Because we have two big projects going to be starting, obviously the HQ and our other big project, we need to make some room for storage. We've also made offerings to the gods of speed, Burt Munro. There's a timing case that we busted with a big hole in it.
Big hole, and what about the crack?
And there's a big crack going right across there as well too. We've made some room in the back shed too. So all the timber and everything that used to be laying here is now gone because we're going to have to try and put some storage in here too. So we have our T5 gearbox out of a Falcon. We have a cable clutch conversion kit to get rid of the rat trap system and go to a cable. New leads and plugs because the old ones are about 12 years old, haven't been changed. A new cross member. And you've already have an overflow bottle because my other one's cracking.
Ooh.
That's really the whole important bit of this whole bit. Our conversion kit. Our accelerator cable to change the accelerator cable from clutch, from mechanism to cable. That'll help heaps. Comes with the clutch as well, which will take, I think it said 400 horses.
Nice.
I don't see the T5 taking 400 horses, but apparently the clutch will. I also don't see the 253 putting
400 horses.
Really nice machine bell housing.
Got a clutch fork in that, or
Yeah, it's got the clutch fork.
Yeah.
Comes with the thrust bearing. Comes with even a yoke to fit into the back of the gearbox.
Oh, look at that.
Ford shaft to a Holden uni. So that's awesome because it means I don't have to like mix and match my tail shaft. We don't know yet whether we have to shorten the tail shaft. I can't remember if I had to do that last time. But anyway, if we do, we do. I don't know what that's for, but I'm sure we'll figure that out. And all your bearings and stuff.
Yep.
Unis and thrust bearings and stuff. So that's all there. Spigot bearings. Yeah, it's pretty much everything we're going to need. You're just going to hide behind me, eh?
Yeah, it looks good. Sweet, we've got everything. We're ready to get into that tomorrow night.
Yep. Plan is, like we were planning on getting stuck into this weekend, but like we said, we just wasn't happening this weekend with everything happened with the Fairlane. But that's all sorted now. We hope it's good. So now we'll get stuck in this after work and a couple of late nights. But we're going to get stuck into it. I'm really looking forward to this. I reckon we'll start with the interior. What do you reckon, then?
Yeah, we'll cut the interior out because we got to weld the floor, don't we?
Well, I think we've got to cut a hole out and maybe weld it up a bit to make it match the position of that shifter.
Yeah.
But I reckon if we start with get the interior out, just the front half of it.
Nice, easy, clean job. I'm looking for some clean work now. I'm looking forward to some clean work.
Something not covered in engine oil.
Yeah.
And then we can basically put it on the hoist, get her up and get started.
Sounds good.
Now before we get started, we thought we'd show you what it's like to drive in its current state, to give you a bit of a before and after comparison once this is all finished. So, driving in the HQ. Firstly, the reason why I call it the HQ is because it's not actually Monaro, it's a replica. That's why I don't feel so bad about pulling the 4-speed out and putting in a 5-speed. It is an original V8 Kingswood. It is the original engine that came with the car, but the gearbox that's in this, it used to be a 3-speed on the tree, now it's a 4-speed, and now we're going to go to a 5-speed. The conversion itself, it's a pretty easy conversion, it's all bolt on. We got a kit basically to bolt it in, except for...
Where'd you get the parts from?
These parts I got from Dello Conversions, whereas previously I've gone through Castlemaine Rod Shop. They used to do a kit as well too, but I don't think they do anymore. But I thought I'd just give Dello a try, because I've tried one, try the other, see what I think, you know. The old one went together pretty well. This one hopefully should do the same. The only thing that needs to be done majorly on this that you can't really take back is you got to cut a little bit of the floor out just to get the shifter to come up in the right spot, but it's no big deal.
It's only sheet metal?
It's only sheet metal, it's nothing major. So that's no big deal. We're on a little bit of twisties at the minute, and
it drives really well, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. And I just had the steering reconditioned in this from a bloke down called Super Steer Australia, and he's done an absolute A1 job. Like it actually feels like the steering wheel is connected to the wheels now, finally. Yeah. There's not so much play at 100 anymore on the freeway, and it actually feels good to drive.
Yeah.
And it handles alright. Like it's a cruiser. It's soft.
It is a cruiser. It's like an airbag over the bumps.
Yeah, you got this big fat seat that you're sitting in, which feels like a couch more than an actual chair.
You know, like it's quite nice to jump in a car with some nice suspension, and instead of coilovers in every car you own, and slowing down for bumps.
No, it's definitely not the same. This is original. When I first built this, the idea was to make it an original car, and it's exactly like what the Monaro would have been like back in the day.
But now we want to drive. You more importantly, you want to use it.
Yeah, I want to use it. Like I said, the panel van already has the 5-speed conversion done in it, and I always find myself grabbing the keys for that and not driving this so much. The main reason being is because this doesn't drive as nice as the panel van. So I want to make this a bit more enjoyable, so that I do grab the keys for this and want to take this out.
Yeah.
Because the gearing's so tall in this, to get it off the line can be really difficult. But first gear in this manual goes from 0 to 70k. It's ridiculous.
It's like that ad. What's the ad where he goes, not bad first gear,
yeah,
okay, first gear, something like that.
But then at the same time, if I put it into 4th, I can cruise around at 50k and pull away at 50k. So the gearing is just so weird and bizarre. It's crazy.
Well, we're kind of interested to see our like 0 to 60 with the gearbox change, aren't we?
Yeah, I'll be interested to see, like, without touching the engine, what will it do if we put a better gear ratios in it.
Yeah.
Set, go. You hit the wrong thing, you idiot. Good start, Nave.
Okay.
Ready?
Set,
go.
Oh.
See?
Oh.
That's 80. Come on. 100.
Holy shit.
Show the time.
15 seconds. Wow.
Yeah, she ain't no speed machine.
And we were just saying before, she goes alright, yeah.
She goes alright. Just not 0 to 100.
15 seconds, we'll just show that again just in case. 15 seconds, eh? That's funny.
She ain't no speed machine, this old girl.
Wow. First is there, I hope. I'm nervous. Oh wow.
See what I mean?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can see why you...
Yeah, you gotta go slow with all the movements.
Wow.
If you go fast, it shutters the whole car.
I can't believe taking off. I don't want to, you don't want to slam it.
No.
And you don't want to rev match it when you can't rev match because the accelerator is so heavy.
Yeah, exactly. It just, the driving feel doesn't match the look of the car, does it?
No. No. Like, it's a nice car, it needs a nice drive.
Yeah.
You want to be able to hop in it and enjoy it. Like, I can see why you don't like it.
Yeah.
But the steering though.
Good, huh?
Yeah.
Heaps better.
My dad's HQ was so sketchy to drive. He was used to it.
Is that a Camry?
Yeah, it is.
That's a Camry. Go the mighty Camry.
Not a wagon though.
Camry wagon would be nice.
If only someone had one.
Yeah, I know. If only we knew someone.
Yeah. You really want to build a Camry wagon?
One day. We can dream.
Yeah, I know.
See how he does.
Do a first start.
Yep. So you go.
On a slight hill.
Yep. Good luck.
Oh man.
I'm so glad that this clutch is getting
Oh,
pulled
it
out.
is heavy. You want to be real gentle lifting it off, don't you?
Yeah. You gotta be gentle on and off the throttle, gentle in and out of the clutch.
Yeah, like
can't
you're
just
scared to
slam it.
just pop it.
No, you can't.
Because it'll throw your leg up.
Yeah. But it pulls good, doesn't it?
Yeah, but I'm scared. We're getting the hang of it. Just taking off is a bit. There you go.
So yeah, basically we just wanted to show you guys the reason why we're doing this, why we're doing the transmission swap. In my opinion, it's probably one of the best mods you can do in these things, because honestly it doesn't look any different once it's in the car. The shifter still comes up in the original position.
No one will know.
No one's gonna ever know, except you've got the convenience of having a 5-speed manual with overdrive and a short first and a light clutch and all the conveniences that come with that. So that's why we're doing it. Thanks for all the support lately, it's been awesome. We're really getting a kick out of it. It's making it really fun for us to do this sort of thing. So I know Nathan's really happy to see all the comments and stuff too. So until next time, we'll see you in the next video when we get stuck into this. It still sounds good.
Not too bad.
Yeah,
Just
good.
kind of really gonna. Got to manhandle the stick.
Yeah. It ain't just like a little. Like, it's not 2 finger shift.
A little bit more RPM, Michael. I'm not hearing chirpies in second.